Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079391 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you are receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click over here and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update, and over here if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to install the update. Still not working, you can go to Windows Update in Windows settings, and over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once it is paused, now click on resume updates. And now you can check. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, it will run a scan. In my case it's already done. Then copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will again take some time. Once this scan is 100% complete, then you can copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is complete over here, once it is 100%, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079391 over here. And then click on search. Let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. And here you can see in my case it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version, then go to Windows settings, go to system. Scroll down, go to about option, and over here you can see the system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 basis, and this is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download, and then over here you will see KB5079391. Click on it, and then this will download the file. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. So once this is complete, click on it, follow the on-screen instruction, and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option. Now scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, and here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Click on it and then click on accept. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.